What happened?
Missing his bike.
Did Dan go off the bridge?
Yeah, front end washed out on him.
All right. Okay, the Indians have scored the first point. Because, you know, this is a haunted trail, right?
Sticks and stones.
The Naches Basher Indians. It's Team Austria.
Oh, I fell over on just the root, and then I just let you go. You know, that one section where you almost caught me because it's like off on the start.
Did you hit a slick spot or something, or what?
Yeah, front end washed out.
Where?
Right here. Went off and smashed my head into that log down there.
Oh, wow. You okay?
I had a concussion.
Well, thank God you got a good helmet. Is it busted? No?
I don't think so.
How's the bike?
Seems fine.
So the title of this video is going to be Austria versus the Indians.
Yeah.
So the Indians scored the first point.
It's good. It slid on the rack on the side you're on.
I didn't touch a brake.
Is this you dragging the rear
So
tire?
I think what happened is
front
right,
tire.
Yeah, right about here.
Yeah.
It looked like to me you'd lost your front end.
Yeah. That did not feel good.
So you landed on your head?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He was in a ball right there.
Yeah. Well, it's a soft landing at least.
It was not.
Yeah, my head hit that log.
Could have been a little wetter.
But, I mean, there's worse places to have crashed than
Yeah,
that.
that's
Oh, yeah.
true. And the front end jumped.
If the police were here, they'd say speed was a factor.
Oh, absolutely. You're driving too fast for conditions.
Yes.
Yep.
They say that every
If you
time.
For anything else, that's what they hit you on.
Yeah.
I'll claim I was going too fast when I hit the bridge.
One mullet has been injured. Show us the mullet.
Here, you want to do it?
There you go. I'm gonna have to show my mullet too. We got a mullet shot going here.
It was open. You don't twist off. It's just a...
Oh yeah.
I'm like, well, that explains it. How was it so hard for you guys?
What, like 2 of these, Cody?
I would think 4.
Tiger's last days of long hair. High five! Thank you! High five! Right. Have a good one, guys. Fuck. You got it. Hey, catch up to the other guys and tell them to hold up. Yay! You got to the second step, which is good. Don't let the bike go backwards. More gas. Nice job. Woo! The Indians are racking up points on us.
Oh man, wait.
Just don't throw the thing at me.
That rock looks a lot easier by a campfire with too many to drink.
That's not bad. The west side. That's doable.
You gotta hit hard right here coming out, and then get back on it hard once you get up there.
Yeah.
I'll take the girls' way.
This is a nice little safety right here.
Some guy almost broke his leg there, if you've seen my videos.
Really?
Jim Lawson.
You know, off here.
Down there. What are you gonna do? You gonna go?
Yeah, I'll go.
What are you gonna try to do?
I'll probably do the right line, see if I can make it.
This?
Yeah.
All right. At least got a tree there to hit.
Got some hard enduro shit, right?
Did you see him? Andrew?
What?
You see him go up the right side there?
Yeah, I was standing right down there.
I don't think anybody's fucking done that before. That was freaking crazy. He almost didn't have it there for a second.
I've never had.
Yeah, nobody's done it. He was digging that tree out. That's 1 point for the Indians. Of course, he scored 2 points for Team Austria.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Oh, that was a 2-point game right there.
It's not very good at all.
Hey, it was your first try.
I would do that a retry from there.
My very first year of riding, I came down this in the dark almost.
Really?
I'm like, what the fuck is this? And I've been riding all day long. It's fucking beat. I saw a picture of a guy that completely wrecked down below here. He was coming down.
Oh, God.
I had posted the video about Danger doing the rock. And the guy's like, yeah, I thought your videos were over-exaggerating things until this happened. And then he posted up a bunch of pictures of him.
I watched the video and it doesn't do this thing justice at all.
No.
It's a lot bigger.
It is. Nine! That's 1 point for the Indians. Team Austria down 1.
Your dad would be so happy he didn't come right now. He'd be so pissed right now.
There you go.
Two.
I lost it right here.
Oh, that's a crash. Indian point. Indian point.
Don't make it 2.
Your handlebar touched the dirt. 2 Indian points. 2 Indian points. That's not going to be in the video.
No, you don't see it. 3 strikes out, pass bike on.
There we go.
Got it from there.
Yeah, don't help him. He's got it.
Yeah, I'm getting behind a tree because I know what this guy does. I haven't had lunch yet, but I don't want a dirt bike.
Did you hit the tree? Yep. I can see it kind of scraped.
Oh, it was straight before I got there.
Bam! That's 1 point for the Indians. The Indians are coming! The Indians got a point, trying to steal your bags. Fuck, Cody's being chased by Indians. How do you like the war cry there, Cody? Ooh, somebody's getting...
Yeah, just turn it on and get off.
I didn't remember the lower part of the trail being as hard as it was. There was some nasty stuff in there. Team Austria! The toboggan team. All right, let's get up that one. Yeah, right. We can do it. If we work together, we can do it.
So here's what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I'll take the camera and I'm gonna ride around to the top and be the film guy. And then I'm gonna film you guys doing it all together. You guys can do it. I'm proud of you.
You can't take my job.
I'm proud of you.
That's my job.
No, I'm proud of you.
That's what I get paid the big bucks for.
All right, Cody, let me borrow your camera. I'll go to the top. Magnus can film from down here.
Okay, hey, I want to see Cal. Cal, snoop it out. I mean, it looks like it's. It looks like it's melted on the side.
No, it's not. I was just up there.
Oh, okay.
Take mine. But you guys are more than welcome.
I think you. What's your name? What do you do?
My name is Danimal, and I am a co-owner of True North Motos.
There you go.
And we were just getting our asses kicked. I also cut mullets.
Jake.
So
Redbeard.
Redbeard. Yeah, I usually just get into sticky situations with a Danger Andrew.
We've got world famous Danger, but somebody one-upped him today. 30 cal went up the face of Blood Rock, humiliated the Indians. What's your name? What do you do?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on now. I'm just a guy.
Crampy Longhorn.
That's Mr. Clean.
How'd you get Longhorn?
Texas.
How'd you get Crampy?
I cramp up a lot.
There you go. And who do we got back here?
Only that one time.
Screamer.
Screamer. How'd you get that name?
In the
screams a
side-by-side
lot.
video,
Yeah.
I just put this
Yeah.
girl
You
screaming
scream
over.
like a girl on a roller
It
coaster.
wasn't me.
It wasn't me. Everyone thought it was you.
Sweaty bean dip here.
How'd you get the nickname Bean Dip?
Made it once for Mattawa. You requested it again. I bugged you for a nickname, and here we are.
Yeah. And then we have a self-made nickname and Van Guy back here, Chris.
I travel in style.
Yeah, he does travel in style. And I am Tiger Tanker with my new and improved haircut from True Mullet Motos.
True North Mullets.
Yeah, I am the president of Tiger Tanker Studios. And we are making,
You missed the mullet cut night.
Yeah.
this is the first ascent, apparently, of
there's
the
one-
Trail of Evil.
There's
Well, somebody else had
there's
gone
a
up.
track in front of us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
From today?
It looks like it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't look like they had an easy time either.
Yeah.
There's lots of footprints that have the toe dug in through the
Yeah,
snow.
yeah. One set of tracks, that's it?
That's two
looks like
guys.
there's two.
Oh, okay.
Two guys, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not a tracker, but that's what it looks like to me.
Well, I would say that we have handily routed the Indians today. Team Austria, every bike from Austria. What do we got here? We got 3 Huskies and what, 5 KTMs? You know, the Indians got like a 3-point play on Dan Moore's face. So I'm gonna have to tally up the score.
3-point play on you before you even made it to
Yeah.
the rock.
Yeah, shut up. I'm editing that out.
Hey, this is his story.
Hey, yeah, I'll edit out all this shit. But Dan Nor's face into the bridge. I mean, I couldn't even walk over it, so I can't blame you for not riding over. I fell on that
He
thing.
didn't hit his face on the bridge.
I hit it on a log down below the bridge
Yeah.
when I
Way better.
ejected off the bike.
Yeah.
Piled up into it. I dented my fucking header. I'm pissed. Broke off my brake tip.
You're a mess.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd pull
Can't take you
forward and
anywhere.
rotate
You're
that
so
thing.
good.
Oh yeah, I have.
Can't take any of these guys anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have some torques if you want to do that.
Profile.